Need your WhatsApp chat as a spreadsheet for analysis, for cleaning, for filtering? Here's how to get every message into CSV in about 30 seconds. WhatsApp's export gives you a text file. Useful for reading. Useless for a pivot table, a filter, or anything you'd open in Excel, Google Sheets, or Pandas. Same export flow as a PDF. Open the chat, tap the 3 dots on Android or the contact name on iPhone, pick Export Chat. The zip you get is your raw input. Drop the zip on chattopdf.app. Pick the spreadsheet option, every message becomes a row. The CSV has columns for date, time, sender, message body, attachment file name, and voice note transcript if you've got the voice tier. Pay once per chat. No subscription. And this is the output, a clean CSV ready to load into Excel, Google Sheets, Numbers, or any data tool. Filter by sender. Count messages per day. Pivot by topic. Whatever your analysis is. On privacy, files auto-delete after 7 days. Nothing's kept. Nothing's used to train anything. That's how to turn a WhatsApp chat into a spreadsheet. Links in the description. Code VOICE25 for 25% off.